Reviving old barn wood into high-demand modern furniture is an exciting opportunity for artisans and entrepreneurs alike. This process not only helps preserve the rich history of aged timber, but also provides a sustainable solution for creating unique, functional art that appeals to today's eco-conscious consumers. The growing trend towards bespoke furniture has opened avenues for creating pieces that are not only beautiful and functional, but also profitable. This journey involves various stages, from sourcing materials to crafting the final product and reaching your target market. The adventure begins with sourcing old barn wood. Many people may have access to abandoned barns or know someone who does. If you possess a piece of land with an old barn or have family connections in rural areas, it's an excellent opportunity to make use of neglected wood. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of reviving old barn wood, create stunning modern furniture for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Reviving old barn wood into high-demand modern furniture is not only a sustainable way to create unique and beautiful pieces, but it also represents a profitable and innovative approach for artisans and entrepreneurs. As people become more eco-conscious and seek out bespoke items for their homes, weathered timber is gaining popularity as a material for modern furniture design. This article explores how to effectively transform barn wood into desirable furniture while considering the financial and creative opportunities involved in this endeavor. The journey begins with sourcing barn wood. Many individuals may have access to old barns, either through family properties or local connections. Sometimes, farmers and landowners are willing to part with aged wood that would otherwise decay or be discarded. When approaching a property owner, it's essential to speak with them about the potential benefits of reclaiming this wood. Not only does it provide them with a solution for old structures, but it also allows them to contribute to environmental sustainability. Once you have secured a source for barn wood, the next step is to assess its condition. Weathered timber can exhibit unique characteristics such as knots, color variations, and surface textures that contribute to its charm. Inspecting the wood for signs of rot or insect damage is crucial. Pieces that are structurally sound can provide an excellent foundation for furniture that will last for years. Collecting a variety of sizes and types of wood will open up design possibilities, enabling you to create diverse furniture pieces. The character inherent in reclaimed barn wood provides endless opportunities for creativity. One popular idea is to create dining tables that serve as stunning focal points in homes. A rustic dining table crafted from reclaimed barn wood exudes warmth and charm, making it perfect for family gatherings. The natural variation in color and texture can be highlighted, allowing the beauty of the wood to shine through. Pairing the barn wood tabletop with modern, minimalist legs made from steel or wrought iron can create a striking contrast, appealing to those who appreciate a blend of rustic and contemporary design. Another highly sought-after piece is a rustic coffee table. You can achieve an eye-catching design by combining larger barn wood planks to create a sturdy surface, potentially integrating hidden storage compartments or using metal brackets for added style. A coffee table that tells a story, complete with visible nail holes or weathered edges, can resonate with buyers looking for furniture that reflects their values and style choices. Beyond tables, barn wood can be repurposed into unique shelving units. By attaching reclaimed planks to industrial-style brackets, you can design open shelves that bring character and functionality to any space. These shelves can be used in kitchens, living rooms, or even as display units for plants and collectibles. Incorporating diverse wood grain patterns within your shelving adds to the visual interest, giving consumers a reason to choose handmade products over mass-produced alternatives. If you want to diversify your offerings, consider crafting smaller items, such as cutting boards or serving trays. These functional pieces are not only attractive, but also low-commitment purchases for customers. Well-crafted kitchen items made from reclaimed wood can appeal to a broad audience. Personalizing these items with engravings or custom designs can further enhance their marketability, attracting customers looking for unique gifts or home accessories. As you create these pieces, quality and craftsmanship are paramount. Attention to detail not only ensures the longevity of each item, but also establishes your reputation as a skilled artisan. When working with barn wood, methods for sanding, finishing, and treating the wood must be considered carefully. Using non-toxic finishes that bring out the natural beauty of the wood while adhering to eco-friendly practices can distinguish your products in a crowded marketplace. In addition to creating beautiful pieces, marketing your furniture effectively is crucial to turning a profit. As you build a brand around your upcycled barn wood furniture, showcasing the story behind each piece can engage potential buyers. Use social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook to share before and after photos or videos of the transformation process. This builds transparency and connection with your audience, showing them the work and passion invested in each item. Local markets, craft fairs, and pop-up shops also provide valuable avenues for selling your creations. Setting up a booth at a craft fair gives you the chance to showcase your work visually and interact with potential customers firsthand. Building relationships in your community can generate local support and word-of-mouth marketing, which is invaluable for small businesses. Offering special promotions or discounts for first-time customers can encourage purchases and help build a loyal clientele. Creating an online presence can further expand your reach. Having a dedicated website or online store allows you to showcase your portfolio while providing an easy avenue for customers to purchase your pieces. Investing in photography that captures the essence of your furniture, highlighting its unique grains, textures, and features, can create an emotional connection for customers browsing your offerings. Collaborating with other local businesses can also enhance your visibility while expanding your market. For example, partnering with an interior designer can introduce your furniture to clients who appreciate curated, high-quality pieces. Similarly, working with local cafes or restaurants to provide custom furniture can lead to increased exposure and potentially larger orders down the line. Emphasizing the eco-conscious aspect of your work can attract environmentally aware consumers who value sustainable practices. By using reclaimed materials, you are making a positive contribution to reducing waste while promoting the use of natural, timeless materials. This messaging can resonate well with customers who prefer to invest in items that align with their values. As demand for unique, handmade furniture continues to grow, your investment of time and creativity will likely yield financial rewards. The story and craftsmanship behind each piece can command higher prices than mass-produced items, attracting consumers willing to pay a premium for quality and uniqueness. By showcasing your custom designs and creating meaningful connections with your audience, you can cultivate a loyal customer base that appreciates your artistry. In conclusion, reviving old barn wood into high-demand modern furniture presents an exceptional opportunity for artisans and entrepreneurs. Transforming weathered timber into beautiful furniture not only contributes to sustainability, but also offers a creative outlet and potential profitability. From dining tables and coffee tables to shelves and smaller accessories, the versatility of barn wood allows for diverse design possibilities. By focusing on quality craftsmanship, effective marketing, and building community connections, you can tap into a market that values unique and meaningful furniture made from reclaimed materials. As you embark on this journey, you not only breathe new life into old wood, but also create lasting memories for those who will cherish your creations in their homes. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked Reviving Old Barn Wood creates stunning modern furniture for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.